All right, so I'm out here in Füssen, Germany, which is right outside of Neuschwanstein Castle, and going along, found a skate park. So they've got a bowl, they've got a street section, behind that is a little tiny pump track for the kids, and then this is one of the bigger pump tracks I've seen now, and a bunch of mountain bikes right here yesterday. So I got to be out here for about 20 minutes yesterday, and then I woke up when the sun came up, so I could get out here again this morning before we do our hike. I forgot my GoPro this morning, so we're going to try it with the phone camera. It burns.